Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Ink Tank Wireless 410 series device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable web scan on this device. So I have Ink Tank 415, but this manual will work on any HP Ink Tank Wireless 410 series. And now just open settings, then click security, administrator settings, and click web scan. Click apply, click OK. And great! So that's it. It's really that's it. Now we can so click apply. Now we can scan using web scan. So click OK. Click scan. And now just choose PDF type, color preference, so black or color. I want to use black and white. Paper size A4, resolutions 300 dpi, it's great quality, medium, okay, be lighter, darker, maybe darker. Click start scan, click OK. I have no any documents in the scan, but and as you can see I have just white page here, but if I will use, wait for it, I need to open the cover and insert the paper with the text here. So paper with the text is inside, and now when I will use, for example, I want to not PDF but an image, okay? So I want to use just an image. So click start scan, click OK, wait a while, and here, as you can see, I have the image of my card. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!